Let's unlock your resume's potential and make your Tableau skills really shine to grab the attention of hiring managers. First, let's talk about where to put your Tableau projects. The projects or portfolio section is your best friend, or weave them seamlessly into your work experience descriptions. This isn't just about listing skills. It's about proving you can deliver results. Step 1. Start with a concise project title. Make it descriptive, then briefly explain the project's purpose. Who was the audience? What problem were you trying to solve? For example, sales performance dashboard for retail chain, or customer segmentation analysis for marketing team. Step 2. Quantify your impact. This is crucial. Don't just say you created a dashboard. State the results. Did your visualizations lead to increased sales, reduced costs, or improved decision making? Use numbers. Say, identified a 15% increase in customer retention rate, etc. Step 3. Showcase your work by linking to a live, interactive dashboard. Publish your project on Tableau Public and include the link in your resume. This lets recruiters explore your dashboards firsthand and experience the interactivity. Make sure the dashboard is clean, easy to navigate, and well commented, so they can understand how you built it. Step 4. Tailor every project description based on the job description. Highlight the Tableau features most relevant to the target role, like specific chart types, calculations, and analytical techniques. Demonstrate that you understand the company's needs. Follow those steps, and you'll make your Tableau skills jump off the page, landing you in front of the hiring manager. Now go make that resume amazing.